Been denied bail in the Protea Magistrates Court. In handing down judgment, Magistrate David Mhango said Ernest Mabsaso and Khupe acted with common purpose and that the murders of the 7 Khoza family members had been premeditated.
Last month, Mabaso allegedly committed suicide in a Cape Town cell, this while police were conducting further investigations.
Consideration of the evidence in its totality, I come to the conclusion that Mr. Khupe has failed to prove exceptional circumstances, and consequent thereto, his application to be admitted to bail is dismissed.
Reaffirming a strong case against Khupe.
The state case against Mr. Khupe is quite very strong, and it remains strong. This is despite the fact that applicant number 1 is deceased. It should be noted that applicant number 1 was not a state witness in this matter, but a co-accused.
Mhango found there was constant communication between the two. He said Mabaso was also the first person Khupe contacted when he crossed the border into Zimbabwe last October before the family was murdered. Mhango was not convinced that Khupe didn't know something was afoot.
Some of the neighbors had to confront applicant number 1 about the stench. Strange enough, Mr. Khupe does not smell the stench. He was able to enjoy his breakfast. According to the investigating officer, there was a lot of soil which covered the 4 bodies inside one of the bedrooms inside the house. It is strange enough that Mr. Khupe did not notice anything wrong on the floor which was soiled.
In denying him bail, Mhango noted Khupe could interfere with investigations.
Mr. Khupe and the applicant 1 acted with a common purpose in execution of these offences. Mr. Khupe is a Zimbabwean national, although he holds a South African identity book. Should he be admitted to bail and cross the border back into Zimbabwe, it will be difficult for the investigating officer to trace him. Should Mr. Khupe be admitted to bail, the outstanding witnesses will be reluctant to come forward and depose to a statement. The tenants who resided in this house are also witnesses in this matter. I therefore find that there is a likelihood that he might interfere with the witnesses in this matter.
We have argued amongst others that it will disturb public peace. It will actually undermine public peace if he had to be released on bail. We are glad that from time to time our courts come to such conclusions, because this is the only way that the public can have faith in what we're doing as the criminal justice system.
The bodies of the 7 were found buried under heaps of sand in the main home and outbuilding. The case has been postponed to April the 2nd for further investigations. Julian Pillay, SABC News, Protea.